Okay, we're going to take a look at Asta Power Project, Project Portfolio and Resource Management Solution. A bit about Asta Development first of all. We've been specialising in project portfolio and resource management software since 1988. We're owned by Alico plc, a London listed parent company, and currently have over 60,000 users worldwide. The software is available in 7 different languages and we're represented by a network of trained, approved resellers throughout the world. Each of these offer sales, support, training and consultancy, and we ourselves, Asta Development, develop the software from the UK. We're dedicated to continuous improvement to the software via feedback from our customers. So let's take a look at the problem first of all, which are faced by project managers. So why do projects fail? Well, that's due to scope change, where what we're being asked to do changes, and lack of prioritising the various projects we might be taking on in our portfolio. Quite importantly, often there is a lack of a solid project plan and bad decisions are made. In the enterprise management arena, where we're looking at multiple projects, it's often difficult to budget resources going forward to cover all those projects, and this in turn can lead to insufficient resources being available to us. Overruns of schedule and cost and ignoring project warning signs are both important aspects of why projects fail. Poor user input and also lack of management buy-in when completing the projects is also important. Everybody who works with project management experiences pain, and in terms of the management, various different pains can be seen. So they have no visibility about what's going on. I'm always told of being on target. I get reports but they rarely tell me what's going to happen. Over optimistic schedules, and Power Project addresses these with reporting and detailed project plans. Another issue facing management is resources. So typically they find they're either overstaffed or understaffed, and they tell us that it's difficult knowing who can work on what project, as I don't know which projects are due to complete. Making last minute decisions and having too many projects and not enough staff are common problems. And typically people say that we react rather than plan. So Power Project's powerful resource management tools allow future work to be planned against current capacity. From a project manager planner perspective, typically you hear that people don't recognise the importance of planning. So I haven't got the time to do everything I'm asked. Everyone wants an answer straight away. We haven't got enough planners because managers don't see us as important and they don't understand the job we do. So with accurate planning, Asta Power Projects lets stakeholders and management team value the work that you do and listen to your suggestions. And then with regard to reporting, planners tell us, project managers tell us that we're being asked to produce a different report every time, and can't we have consistency in doing reports, and I produce them at a set time. So Power Project, as you'll see later, provides easy to create and professional reports that can be tailored and produced with one click. With business intelligence reports, management can run the reports when they want, on demand. Planners and project managers also tell us they don't trust the data they get from the site or the field. Are people just guessing or making me happy? There's a bit of a 95% syndrome where one week everything looks good and the next week we're in trouble. Why is this? And I don't believe what I'm getting, so why should management? I'm made to look a fool in meetings. So as the data you get fed back from site comes directly from site, you can assess its validity and compare it against the last week and the planned progress. And from a team member or site staff's point of view, they tell us that they don't often know what they're meant to be doing. I don't know what my priorities are. I don't know how long I'm meant to be spending on a task. When have I got to finish it? I'm being asked to do too much. And most importantly, my project manager doesn't believe what I tell him. So with Power Project's site-based and team-based tools, you're able to understand exactly what you're meant to be doing and feed this back to the project manager on time. So just some of the flagship projects that Power Project has been used on. So in the UK, the London Eye, the Eden project, and the Wimbledon Centre Court roof. In Holland, Schiphol Airport, the Space Shuttle external tank in the States, Durban Airport in South Africa, the Dubai Metro in the UAE, and Jumeirah Park, and some projects in Germany, the Reichstag in Berlin, the Philharmonic building in Hamburg, the Warsaw Metro, Hong Kong Airport, Petronas Towers, the Commonwealth Village in India, and in Australia a new children's hospital in Perth, motorway extensions in Brisbane, Queensland, building the education revolution, the refurbishment of 300 or 400 schools in Sydney, New South Wales, and the infrastructure rebuild in Christchurch, New Zealand. So there's a wide variety of major projects that Power Project is used in throughout the world, and of course smaller projects as well. So Power Project offers accurate planning which can eliminate scope change, and project management becomes more visible across the company because all our projects are in one central area. People become more accountable for project performance organisation-wide, and better prioritisation of projects across multiple sites and departments leads to better profitability. But most importantly, better communication, collaboration across roles and departments is offered by Asta Power Project. So Power Project offers solutions for all roles. You'll see the modules shortly as I go through, the business intelligence, portfolio management, but you can see in a construction scenario, everybody involved in projects is catered for in one way or another by Power Project. And similarly, if we're in a non-construction environment, everybody can share and contribute to data within our portfolio and project plan, from directors, stakeholders, clients through to team members. So Power Project has solutions for all issues. So when is everything going to happen? A world-class Gantt chart project management system enables us to accurately track when activities are going to happen and report progress. How much will they cost? Earn value. Who's going to work on them? Capacity of resources across individual projects and the portfolio as a whole. What do we need to work on? So the business intelligence tools allows us to prioritise projects according to certain criteria. And confidence, the inbuilt risk analysis tool performs Monte Carlo quantitative risk analysis mitigation. And visibility, the business intelligence reports allows management to analyse portfolio performance. So Power Project has solutions for all roles. The project manager creates the activities, the stakeholders see the portfolio status, and team members receive notifications of task and feedback status into the project plan, and this circle continues obviously through the life of the project. So looking at some of the features in Power Project as an overview, the first one is portfolio management, where we can look at all of our projects and get real-time multi-user information on where we are at, what resources we need, how much money we're spending, and obviously most importantly how much money we're making. Project management, so as I said before, world-class Gantt chart, ability to manage projects, very simple to use, can be organised by work breakdown structures or activity codes, and this can be viewed in conjunction with cost and resource graphs. And Power Project does come with concurrent licensing, which is a very financially beneficial opportunity. Business intelligence tools to enable us to get an overview of a dashboard, if you like, of all the projects that we may be looking at. So this could be time status, scorecards, bubble charts. It's fully user definable. Risk management, so we can perform Monte Carlo risk analysis on our project, on the risks that we've assessed, and see likely finish dates and likely profitability, which are really important when delivering projects. And another way of viewing project data is in Google Earth, so for geographically dispersed projects, an executive or a client or a stakeholder can look at Google Earth and have an overview of where projects are and their status and get project information back on that. And earned value analysis, so Power Project supports earned value, gives earned value data and earned value histograms, which are a really good way of seeing whether we're on track or not. And progress reporting from site, as I mentioned before, it's really important to get accurate reporting from site. So this can be through the web or through a tablet or a mobile phone if you like. And this can be collected both in terms of percentage or quantities of work done, or in terms of hours if we're using direct staff. So Power Project also importantly allows us to integrate with other business systems such as ERP systems, HR systems, finance systems and estimating, and we also open and save Primavera P6 and P3 files and Microsoft Project files seamlessly. Very importantly, Power Project is also backed up by world-class implementation services. When investing amounts of money in a portfolio management system, you need to rest assured that the system is for you and it has been implemented correctly. So we have a 6-stage implementation process that's proven and is used on all implementations. So that's the end of the PowerPoint. We'll now go to look at the software in more depth.